So this is the Aquoxis pressure hose attachment. This is supposed to replace a pressure washer. It's basically something that you attach to your garden hose, and then it creates a certain type of force that's almost supposed to be equal to a pressure washer machine. So I bought this, and you can check out the link in the description below of where you can purchase this online, but let's test it out and see if it actually works. It says here for quick start tips that they actually included a few extra hose attachments just in case it didn't actually affix to your specific hose, but you don't need to install them unless they're actually required. Then it also says to make sure to remove the small adapter from the nozzle before connecting it to your water hose, and it is difficult to remove, so you're probably going to need pliers. Here's what the package looks like on the inside. And this is everything that came inside of that package. Okay, I think this was the part that we were supposed to remove, and I was actually able to remove it with the wrench that was already included in the kit, so that wasn't very hard. So you attach this if you want to have soap and any type of cleaning solution mixed in with the water, but otherwise you just attach this nozzle part to this hose connector, and then you attach it to your hose and you're ready to go. Let's try it out. Okay, so it attached nicely to my Flexzilla hoses that I purchased on Amazon. So let's fire this puppy up. Okay, so it comes with 3 different features. This is like the spray feature, but I mean, I don't know if that's really very powerful. I have the water completely cranked up. Okay, and then this is like the pressure washer stream, I guess. I mean, it's definitely making my hose more powerful without having to connect a whole machine, so that's pretty nice. I'm trying to get the dirt out of this little water table. I don't know if you would call this a pressure washer. I guess you could. I've never used an actual big electric pressure washer, so let me know in the comments below what you think of the power of the Aquoxis pressure washer hose. I hope this review was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments below if you try this, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.